Good morning, good evening, welcome everyone, great to see you. How do you feel today, guys? So happy to see you. And a greetings Monday for some celebration time, holidays time for some people out here. What's up everyone? How do you feel? How do you think to deal with the current week's situation? What's up guys? Let's take it slow. It's the first streaming of the week, so we gotta get used to this. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on, like the video, be subscribed, and join our Discord. We're gonna talk about the massive promotions existent. I've actually posted about them on my Discord. Yep. It's time to share the presentation with all the community members. Make sure you do the same thing. Just invite people on board. We are live. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Good morning, good evening. Welcome, everyone. Well, in terms of updates and promotions, we have Lucid running a special box, and whatever you get under the special box is going to work with Scramble code, is going to get into your vault, and whatever is in your vault is applied on the Scramble code maximum discount 1 by 1, right? Then YRM, new website, new business model, new prices. Everything is new for YRM, a different infrastructure. We're going to talk about that one too. Prices are heavily discounted because of that. Top 1 futures is the same as last week. Yeah, most got 40%, exactly. Welcome everyone, great to see you. And then Savius is running a new website with a new dashboard. And the biggest discounts, 65% off. We're not trading Apex. Looking into Nasdaq. On the hourly. It is a very interesting price section from the opening, guys. The opening is sitting on 204. I mean, we've been slowly grinding, but the interesting part here is we had a local top, a lower high on Friday, and as soon as the markets opened, instead of what was expected by the retail, based on the statements we had during the weekend, you guys know what I'm talking about. Everything that's correlated with the war, economical, and security situation in the world. So the opening was kind of expected to be like this, right? Something like that for the majority. Yeah, the opening was a little bit different. Totally in contradiction. We actually managed to break above last week's high and sit it away. We haven't got 400, 500 points rejection from that, which again was another pretty significant scenario expected. Looks like the markets are tied up a little bit different. We're gonna start trading our YRM and continue. Coming after a little flu, guys. I'm not feeling in the best form, but the best part is that I am 80% recovered and already having a decent shape. Look at this price action here. How dare to deal with this. Not a problem, Destiny. That's a good one. Come on. Good job, Destiny. I'm watching this one closely. Gotta get into lower time frames, especially out here. Look at that 5-minute representation. We're certainly waiting for something. We do have news today. 10 a.m. ISM Services PMI. Good day, everyone. Welcome, everyone. Good to see you guys. Thank you so much for joining. Remember, minimum 180 likes to do the giveaways. Otherwise, we're not doing the giveaways. So invite people on board and make sure you like the video. Come on, guys. The ISM Services PMI stands for the level of diffusion index based on surveyed purchasing managers, excluding the manufacturing industry. And then we're going to have PCE and CPI this week by Thursday and Friday, so it's going to be quite heavy with the FOMC meeting minutes on Wednesday. Tomorrow, it's going to be quite relaxed unless we're going to see some strong statements. Yeah, we can easily do 200 likes. We have been achieving that constantly last week. Thank you so much, guys. Appreciate it. But this is not tradable, right? So obviously building liquidity upside, building liquidity below the structure. I'd like you to see how does the extension represents. It's perfect, but this is the reversed form of the Fibonacci retracement with a golden pocket in between the yellow lines. So I'm testing a short from here, guys. I'm testing a short from here. It's gonna be interesting. If they keep delivering that pattern, I'm making money. Otherwise, if they're forcing for a breakout, I'm gonna cut it. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. You want to make sure to join our Discord. That's a lovely entry with a very likely lovely exit about to happen soon. I've DCA'd out. Sold partially. That's what it means. And I'm fully out here, $678. Great profit. Thank you so much, guys. Easy. Very easy. That's a great one. That's a great one, and that's how we're trading. You guys were wondering, how do we trade today in this hectic space? Well, we've got our solutions to tackle the market conditions. We've got our manners to this specific context. Golden pocket is there. Now, if we reverse this for the upside, we do have an interesting level here. Around a 210 would be pretty powerful long if we could long it from there, around 210. I think that would be lovely if we can do that. Thank you so much, guys. Good morning. Welcome, everyone. Great to have you on board on Greetings Monday. That was so obvious, right? We're gonna trade our top 1 futures trade of 8 accounts as well. We're gonna try trading some Savius today. We have 5 accounts of their 150,000. Let me drop you the link for the Savius, guys. You have to be signed up to see the offers. Here's the link. The approval time will be improved. It's not yet improved, but I have been, for YRM I'm speaking right now, not for Savius. Savius is paying between 24 and 48 hours. YRM is the one that's pretty slow on the payouts. Yeah, all the payouts have been completed that were scheduled, right? So, will be improved, which is what I have been promised by their CEO. First month is free with Savius, right? So you want to do the math. First month is free, and they assume if you qualify for the second month, you either lost the account and you don't have to pay anything, or you qualify for a payout, and then you pay it from the payout. Yes, they charge data fee, $90 per month. A single data fee for any account numbers. And your first month is for free. For any account you're buying, for sure. As long as you don't have active accounts. Well, looking at the YRM, with my code you're gonna get extra discount as always. Extra. Right, so they are heavily discounted again, heavily. Like the 50k is down to 49, and with my code is even less. You know, the 50k, I mean the instant fund that is there, the 450, that's what I'm trading, the $150,000 instant funded at 450. But then you have basically the challenges that are quite exciting as well. The 150,000 challenges, let me see what's the price. I've listed under the sales and promotions in our Discord all the prices. Where is the... Yeah, I have to update these prices here. Looks like I forgot to update the prices. Yeah, challenge 150,000 comes out at 132. Right, we'll have to update this file for YRM. Yeah, 132. It was $200. Now it's 132. Yes, it's not 49. It's less right now with my code. It's basically 46. Yes, no activation. You got a free month. With data fee. Look at that, guys. We've done some pumping. This promotion is basically for YRM. This promotion is going to last until April 9th. April 9th is Thursday. That's when the offer ends. Thursday. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. 670. I think I'm gonna nicely enjoy this profits here, but I'd like to make a little more, actually. So you can have unlimited evaluations and maximum 3 funded. If you have more than 3 available for funded, then you keep them on pause. And it's free, it's not costing you anything. 3 funded, yeah. Too soon for the yellow card, for the yellow box. Yes, it's a little too soon. I'm not yet positioned. It's the only thing that's needed. We have a little trending breakout here that I would not underestimate, guys. I would not underestimate that. Careful on last week's high, 348. So there is 25 points right now sitting on the table. It's one-time fee. One-time fee. It's not monthly. No. YRM is not having trade of 8. They have volumetrica, they have data feed of DX feed with Quantower volumetrica. Volumetrica is web-based. This one, for example. It's not invalid. You don't use big caps, just use small caps. Ahmed, use small cap. Don't use big cap. Yes, one time. YRM evaluations are one time. Not monthly. You guys can see that in the price. One time fee. One time fee. One time fee. It's right there. This is, by the way, their new dashboard. With a lot of great insights. But it's way better and it's strongly functional. Yeah, so you can load up as many evaluations and then use them in whatever time. Payout is payout speed, I have been told by their CEO, is going to increase heavily right now with the new dashboard. Yeah. The one-time fee is not expiring. The one-time fee represents one-time fee without expiration. Trying a little long here, guys, on my top 1 futures elite daily account, a fresh one. We don't have any of this funded. We had, yeah, same as Lucid, exactly. Oh. Let's see if we can convert this level into our support. Opening quant hour for my Lucid. I'm sure you guys want to see the account sitting above 200 grand. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Streaming from Monday to Friday. I'm gonna partially exit here for this one. I'll take a small loss there, and I'm fully out here. Lovely, 1,257. Lovely, right? That's a lovely one. Little bouncing there. That's all I can deserve. Yes, I tried. I have a tutorial for TradeC. Adam, you want to see TradeC tutorial for sure. Cheers everyone for greetings of Monday. It's even cheaper with my code. With my code it's even cheaper. It's 46. Right, so whatever you see on YRM website, discount, with my code is an additional discount attached on top of what they're listing. You see, I accepted a loss here at the right time, losing 345 instead of like 900 or 1,000. On that bouncing, we've been out. Here's the big boy account, guys, on Lucid. $263,000 for this one. It's a Lucid Flex of 150,000. Remember, a Lucid Flex of 150,000, so this one is having 113,000 profit. Lucid Flex is no consistency and target. You got the links, max discount, scramble, including with the box, right? Whatever you get in the box is still going to be attached to my code, whatever you get in the box. Here's the Lucid link. Oh. We're moving, guys. I think we have statements. I'm trying to have a lovely long from here. Just to do my 250, right? So here are the numbers for this account. I'm taking a payout on all these big accounts when I have 5 accounts ready for payout. I have 3 right now ready for payout. Need 2 more ready for payout. So I like to take my rounds of payouts, each round of payout with 5 accounts maximum. I don't want to burn payouts without taking the maximum. How to enter the giveaway. You want to fill the form here. I sent you the link. And you want to subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit the notification bell. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. You want to like the video. Haha, I'm out of this one, guys. Made 991. Let's see the other. We made here money as well. We longed it on Tradeovate. I'm out from here. And we made money here too. Ha ha ha. 1,849. Thank you so much, guys. Easy money. This is easy freaking money. I want to lose like 200 bucks because of the consistency. You want to make sure you're part of our Discord, guys. We gotta lose a little. Hopefully this is not gonna dump. I'm out here. We made another 500 bucks instead of losing. Oops, wrong celebration. There you go, finally. 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 We lost enough. Yeah. Look at that rejection, guys. This is a rejection coming from the golden pocket. How would do pop the champagne? The only thing is, I'm still into my flu. 80% of it passed. 20% of the flu remain. Can't speak that much today. Can't laugh that much today. I'm under all sorts of medication. But I'm feeling great besides that, right? So don't worry about it. Good morning, welcome guys. Oh, no worries, there's nothing. Yes, I've been. So this is what we're talking about. 264,991. Oh yeah. The performance for April for this account is this one. Decent. Shorting in price section a little. Yeah. Lovely profits. Ha ha ha. Another 1,000 made here. Great times. Great times, everyone. Look at that. 1,435. Boom. That's absolutely lovely. Yeah, the Apex video is scheduled to be filmed. Yeah, it looks like I'm not trading on the live markets, right? Like I'm kind of recorded markets, pre-recorded markets that I just replay and I know the outcome. Well, well. We have news today. We always talk about it in our Discord, guys. For the, posts we're doing, we have the ISM services PMI. We do this kind of post daily, 30 minutes or 60 minutes before the live stream starts. With all the promos, with all the current updates in the promos, with the red folder news, and with all the other details that are meaningful. Welcome everyone. Thank you so much for joining. Remember, minimum 180 likes to do the giveaways. Minimum. Yes. It did start it. We have great temperatures. And it's lovely. So much sunlight. So much. Just got one of those flus from the kids. You know the adults are having a way more difficult time than the kids when this thing start off. Takes longer, right, for the adults. Oh, you got some snow. You got some snow late to the party? Or isn't that late for you? putting some limit order longs here. Yeah, can you guys see my screen right now? We got all of them filled up. Right, so there's 3 major companies running promotions this week. The YRM, Savius, and the Lucid on the 40%, or you can have actually even more, depends. Maybe we just undercut here and then run. I got in 10 minutes long for my Lucid account, for Lucid Flex 150,000. Yeah, I mean, we're trading on top 1 elite daily account. I think it's great. That's what we've been trading on Tradeovate. I think it's great. You know, people run after trends, but top 1 futures with their new account is very interesting, guys. You certainly want to check that out. We have a video about them. Elite daily means daily payouts and no consistency on the funded stage. I could close out here already $1,000 profit. And on the other side, we're break even. We had the flat opening right now on the hourly, running a few points. Yeah. Like 80% is focused for Lucid, which is fine. Sure it does. And right now you can still have massive promotions out there, and think about, you can have 5 accounts, so you can actually take 5,000 daily. Quite crazy, guys. Oh. Let's see what happens here on the trending line. buying pressure steps in. Sure, you're welcome. And you can think about Savius, which is right now running 65 on any product. Basically, with Savius, you can have the ability, guys, for $350 to have $12,000 drawdown. For $265 to have $6,000 drawdown. I'd like to see how does the 5-minute react here. We're somewhere around break-even right now with the account, so we have about 1,400 profit. We also have our 10 minutes long here. Decent for the moment. Yeah, hopefully the pattern is still going to be respected. Yes. Instant funded. It's the 300,000 account. I need a prompt reaction, otherwise I'm gonna cut. Otherwise I'll have to cut, guys. We're like 1,000 down here overall. Not good. We're gonna cut it away, guys, if this is no response. Yes, I just verified right now. Yeah, the link is here. Yeah, the wick is going all the way to 260s around that level. I don't want to see that. It's a little too deep for me. Lovely, right? Look at that, guys. You know, it's a prop firm paying quickly. 24 to 48 hours. It's fine with it. Everything is going normally. You have to know that their daily loss limit is a hard breach. So you should not touch that. If you don't touch that, you don't have a problem. But if you touch that, you lose the account. Daily loss limit should not be touched. Keep in mind the 65% is only available for 48 hours. It's part of their new website and promo and all that stuff coming in, right? Lovely buying pressure, guys. Lovely. I think I'm gonna cut something out of this partially right now. Yes, I did cut something there. I'm fully out here. We have 935 profit, guys. That's just beautiful, right? So we lost like 400 bucks. Savious. You have to stop trading before you would hit your daily loss limit. Right, so you have to use a stop loss before those values and you're fine. You transform it into a soft breach. Huh. Oh, you guys have to see my Quant-Tower trades. We got into some longs here. Ha ha ha. That are looking nice, right? I closed one right now. Closed another. Let's make some more money. I'll put my take profit here. Let's see if we can touch that. I'm out. Lovely. And then I'm going to be out of this one too. Out. Lovely. Great celebration time, guys. We made a ton here. We made a ton here. That's so good. 2,785. 1,182. And this, which is, by the way, having close to 7 grand profit. They're all Lucid Flex 150,000 funded. Thank you, guys. This one 1,521. This one 3,400. It is choppy, but we can still make some nice money. And this one has not been traded yet. It's the only one from the savviest funded ones that has not been traded yet. Welcome, guys. Look at the price section here. Liquidity has been grabbed. We're ready for something else. And the price section is no longer sitting in this downtrending channel, right? We broke out, retested the trending line, refused to fall back. No acceptance. And then pushed hard. Testing out along here for a stronger continuation, guys. I only want to do about 250. Can we get that? What do you guys think about? That's great. We touch it, 300 bucks. Look at that. Base hit. You don't need more. You only need 5 days of 250. Trading is not hard. Sometimes. Ten minutes to go when the market opens. Gotta wait a little here. Not touching it. I don't like the aggressiveness. Exactly. That's where the market is going to be eventually. Eventually. Interesting moment here. But I would wait for the purple line, 257. I would just wait. Even though it looks like they're giving a reaction. They're saving the trending line once again, guys. Unbelievable. We don't get to see the touch of the purple line, 200 EMA of the 5-minute. I don't have any trades open. We're watching, guys. Make sure to like the video. We need to have minimum 180 likes today to do the giveaways. Minimum. Huh. 5 minutes to go. And the market opens. Yes, it's just a little more detailed. His yellow boxes are a little more detailed. Well, today, obviously, casino opens. So I would be very careful with the sizing. Yeah. Couple of points up and down. That's pretty much all. Really slow. Ho ho, look at that, a rejection. Welcome to the pre-opening stage. Yes, this is the daily top 1 futures account. Yes, and trade of 8, yes. We've made basically money and profit and sufficient profit on all the Lucid accounts. Because 4 of them are flexes, 1 is Lucid Pro. We've hit the target on all of them. We made money here too on YRM. Trying to do a little more on a trade of 8 and then we start doing the giveaways. Make sure guys you like the video, 180 likes minimum needed. Can we get to that purple line? What do you guys think about? The trending line is over. It has been lost. One minute to go. Or we might go as low as 218 for the daily VWAP. Ten seconds to go. We got the opening bell. Best of luck, everyone. Ho ho, look at that movement. Ha ha ha. From the purple line, there you go, purple line. I've said I'm waiting for you, but I haven't touched it. Wow. Purple line delivered, guys. That's why we dumped right before the opening to that one. Crazy. That's the 200 EMA on the 5 minute. Working perfectly for a scalp. I mean, you got 75 points from there already. You don't need more. Unstoppable, guys. Last week's high, that's where we got 348. Good job, good job. By watching this price action, what do you guys think about the next 5 minute candle? Is it going to be green? the next 5-minute candle. Yeah, we made profit today pretty much everywhere. YRM. Lucid on all the 5 funded. Hit our targets even beyond that. We made money on top 1 futures, elite daily too. Look at that. Oh ho, look at that, guys. This is the move I was looking for to the next candle. This pump. Looks like we got it a little bit earlier. I'll be right back in 2 minutes. Be right back in 2 minutes. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at that, guys. Oh my gosh. What's this? What have you done, guys, to the markets? Haha, oh my god. Can't believe that, candles. We just dumped 100 points. I'm still shorting it here. That's just crazy, man. Huh. That's just crazy. Yeah. But what about the next candle? That's what I care about. This one has 15 seconds to go. Possibly the next candle is going to be red. So I'm opening shorts a little more. I've DC'd, guys. I'm out a little bit. I'm out in profit. Ha 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 ha. I'm out in profit. And we're short here as well. Stop loss break even. Ha ha ha. Come on, guys. Stop loss 500 bucks here. And we made money on the other side on the trade of 8. There you go. Break even touched. But at least we made money on trade of 8. Alright guys, we must hit that minimum 180 likes. We got a couple of more minutes to do it. Otherwise, no giveaways today. It's simple. Testing along here. Putting some limit sell orders. And I'm fully out here. Fully. 2,431. Oh my gosh. 0 losses. Why would you lose when you can make money? Well, certainly the last candle was a liquidity drop. The last one. The last huge red candle, this one. Right, that one certainly running for it. And that's also confirmed with the outcome we had. Constant slow buying pressure back in the game, all goal turned back. Right, so the lack of continuation after that candle tells us it's a clear liquidity grab. And the slow buying pressure to the upside confirms that was just a liquidity grab. We had our daily VWAP 236. It was not touched. 235, 36. It was not touched. They front run the whole thing. Believe it or not. So that was quite miserable, having some of the fellas sitting there waiting when their limit orders that never came. Yeah, that's my plan. Why would I lose when I have the choice of making money? YRM, new dashboard, new website. With a whole lot of other functionalities. They're running their biggest promotions once again. I'm sending you in the chat all the massive prices out there. Scramble coupon code, maximum discount available. The 50k account, 50k challenge is only $46, no activation fee. One-time fee. And the 150,000 challenge is 132 bucks. The instant funded is 450. For 450 you got a 6,000 bucks drawdown. Thank you so much guys for joining. New promotion for their dashboard and new website launching. Right, so they have a new dashboard, new analytical dashboard, and new website. For YRM and Savius too is having massive promos. Yeah, they're still taking the same time of paying. That has not been changed. So obviously, you have to know that. When that changes, I will announce you. And their CEO, I told him that he has to announce you. Hey guys, from this point, we resume back to our regular timing of payouts. I told him he has to do that, otherwise all this updates and upgrades should not be a priority from my standpoint. He knows it. And he's doing his best. It's just taking a little more time. What I've been told. Look at that one, guys. You're welcome, guys. I mean, everyone is getting paid on the scheduled batches and all that stuff. There is no requests that have not been fulfilled. It's just that it's slower. Which I told them is not competitive. Interesting, guys, what's happening here. We got to long this on 10 minutes for my quant tower. 10 minis, Lucid Flex. Stop loss break even. Let's make some money, guys. Why wouldn't we? 10 more minutes for the giveaway. 10 minutes. We must hit 180 likes. Otherwise, no giveaway. As simple as like that. So we have to collect. Break even touched. Actually, some profits there, like 300 bucks. If the target is not hit in 10 minutes, no giveaways. We got a little disconnected, but we're back. Is this one still running? $3.98, today's high. Are we going straight to $3.98? Well, look at that. We managed to make a new high. We managed to do it, guys. Imagine how many people will be shorting here. And what if this thing keeps climbing? I would be very careful with the shorts today, from what it looks like. The only short we had that was, you know, that liquidity grab after the opening. That was the only short delivered, but then since that, this whole thing is acting differently. Laddering up on a stable buying pressure. Huh. Yeah, you can do some nice profits on that short already. Very hard to get that unless you have some statements coming in, which could take the price action back below 24,000. Otherwise, I think this week they will try to keep it bullish. Yeah. They will very likely try to keep it bullish. Yeah, we look into the daily. This is a very important day, guys. If we look into the daily, look at that. Let me show you the charting, right? So watch this one, guys. This is a very important day from the price action standpoint. Look at that. You do have a trending line here, by the way. I think it's worth our time and our intentions. Something around that level. But once you clear this downtrend, which is, by the way, a couple of grand of points. Like, this is 26,370s, right? Down to 23,000, even below that. Slightly below. That's a couple of really strong thousands of points in matter of, what? 62 days of downtrending. Is this a form of correction, retracement, pullback, and now the bullish instant and the bullish theory? That was all in terms of bears controlling and Nasdaq dumping. I mean, the recovery so far is really quick, guys. Yeah, we got some news. Alright, guys, so giveaways will start in 2 minutes. Giveaways will start in 2 minutes. We have a box here, guys. What do you think about it? Yeah, I'm getting better. We have a yellow box here. "62 days of correction." No courses, no. Just live trading and helping and presenting people all the details here on the live stream. No VIP and courses and stuff like that. I'm teaching people on live. Skin in the game. Theoretical courses are not always the best choice. No skin in the game, just empty words about the markets, and then you just realize you want to implement that. It's zero efficiency, zero accuracy, and it's not delivering. It's because a lot of the things do sound feasible in theory, and they lack any form of executional capabilities, right? So trading space is more complex than that. 10 minutes long. Let's go for another leg to the upside. Definitely not signals. You guys like this? Oh! Ha 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 ha. Oh my gosh. Look at that. The hourly opening. But that was silly, wasn't it, right? Yeah. We just had ISM services PMI. Wow. That's a massive move, guys. Just watch out. I got in a short here, guys. 2,000 profit. I'm selling partially. You already have sufficient profit. We got a 3,425. That was the last trade executed for today. 3,425. Even though I said I'm going to trade some savages, there's no more time for that. Oh. Gotta lose 700 here. Shouldn't make more than 2.7. I want to lose 700 bucks. Yes, the form is there for the giveaways, yes. We still want to lose 44 bucks. Great. Lost enough, we're fine with that. Lovely. Yeah, lovely. That's to wrap up the things. Pretty much profitable everywhere. YRM 1,600. Trade of a 2,500 here, 2,600 with a tap on futures, and then 5 accounts basically on Lucid. Lovely, guys. Time for the wheel. Time for the wheel, guys. Yes, formula is here. Fill up the form right now. How to join? Fill up the form, like the video, be subscribed to the YouTube channel, hit the notification bell. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. Yeah, look at that drop. Crazy, 200 points. So the game is simple. You'll have to guess the number, only a single guess per person. Yes. Exactly, Jonathan. Exactly. If you wait for your levels, you're winning. A proper risk management attached to that, you're winning. The majority of the losses are coming from trades that we're executing between no levels and signals, or just not having the necessarily needed waiting time for the execution. We jump to trade too quickly, guys, most of the time. Great short for today, exactly. That's a big one. You got that one. You catch that one. First giveaway. 25,000 top 1 futures Sim Pro account, instant funded. You gotta be patient. We all know that. So I'm putting together the numbers. Between 0 and 9, each number has a single entry. You can start right now. Let me know your best choice. Between 0 and 9, guess the number, guys. Obviously, you can start and let me know your best number. Only a single guess per person. Alright guys, you want to stop right there. No more guesses, it's over. Stop it. Shuffle. Best of luck guys, best of luck everyone. Probably number 2. There's no Jake today, he's missing. Congratulations for the winners. $14 winners. And I'm gonna add my name too. Scrumbo. 16 winners. 30 seconds competition time. Start right there. Best of luck, guys. Remember, this is an instant funding account. Badger comes in, and it's speeding. Oh, look at the Badger, guys. Guess what? Guess what, guys? Badger comes in first. Congratulations. Congratulations, Badger. Oh, look at that one. Here you go, Badger. You've got this one. Oh, you say no form for Badger? Let's just verify. Let's just double check. Badger? Ha 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 ha. Oh. Well, look at that. He's having an idea. I say that Jake Henry is the second. Let me ask Badger. Do you want me to give your account to Jake? Short answer, yes or no. Tell me, Badger. You tell me. You tell me, Badger. Look at that, guys. He confirmed it. Badger is confirming it. Look at that. He is giving his account away to Jake Henry. Well, look at that one, guys. Shout out a quick congratulations. Let's give it to Jake Henry. Congratulations, Badger. Congratulations, Jake. Time to find it out if you filled up the form. Yes. Oh. Congratulations. Look at that one. I can't be laughing, guys. I have an issue here in my throat. I can't be doing too much, guys. No facial expression, guys. No laughing. I got that flu running through and it's crazy. But believe me, it would be a different show. Oh my god. Yeah, impressive, Badger. Thank you. Appreciate. Yeah, I got... Oh. Time for the next giveaway, fellas. I think I had too many of tennis balls. 50k Lucid Pro. Crazy. Thank you. 50k Lucid Pro. Listen up for the numbers. Between 0 and 7, each number appears once. Between 0 and 7, start right now. 50,000 Lucid Pro. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. Thank you guys. We're gonna shuffle and leave it a fly. Yeah, it was not purchased. Lucid Black was not purchased. Was not enjoyed by people. Could be number 5, guys. Oh. Congratulations for the winners. There you go. What's happening in the Nasdaq? Oh my gosh. $28 winners. Look at that. Plus Badger, plus Scrimbo. I'm gonna have my name here too. I'll delete one of it. I don't want to be double there. Oliver leading, but that's too early. Scramble is speeding up, guys. I did not fill up the form. I did not fill up the form. So the second one I did not fill up the form. Run. There you go. Look at that. Run is winning. Run. Run is here. Run B97, guys. Run B97 is the winner. I did not fill up the form. Oh my gosh. I'm a bot, guys. You have seen me trading. I'm running like a bot, right? I'm giving it to the second run. You take this one. Congratulations, buddy. Oh my gosh. $50,000 guys. You're welcome. $50,000 for the third giveaway. Between 0 and 9, guess the number. You can start right now. Between 0 and 9, each number has a single entry. Yeah. Oh. Thank you, appreciate it. Stop right there. No more guesses, guys, it's over. All these flus from the kids are way stronger for the adults. They're back, screaming and running after 2 days. But the adults are sitting on it for 5, 6 days. It's crazy. That could be number... Could that be number 8, guys? Maybe not. Oh, it's the number 5. Here you go. Congratulations for the winners. Ten winners. I got my name here, so we're 12 with Badger. Let's go, guys. Come on. Who's gonna win, guys? Today we had Badger and Scramble winning. Who's gonna speed up? Smooth Operator. Smooth Operator, you got this one. Quite close with the Badger. Crazy. Smooth Operator. Yes, he's here. Congratulations, buddy. Congratulations. 50,000 YRM goes out to your pocket. Congratulations. Congratulations, everyone. Thank you so much, guys, for joining today. Was certainly a slower day. Till I fully recover. Might take a day or more, but we're doing business as usual. Thank you so much, guys. All the big promos listed in our group. Savius, Lucid+YRM, all these guys out there running big time on Scramble coupon code. Have a lovely day, lovely time. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. We're continuing tomorrow. Best of luck, guys. Peace. All the love.